So this is the crate you receive when you order a Dodge Demon. You get this whole thing for $1. It's really well constructed. It's got Demon logos everywhere. It's got an official plaque right here. It tells you the car number and the VIN number of the car that it was made for. So let's open this up. This is what you get. An extremely well constructed box of worth exactly $1. So all the tools that are in here are snap-on. These are the drag skinnies for the fronts. This is the snap-on jack bar. It's got Demon all over it, which is really cool. It's even got a Demon right there in the styrofoam. It's got the torque wrench, which has Demon engraved on it. It's got the valve or the tire pressure gauge, and underneath it is even more stuff, like a 24 volt. I think it's 24. It's either 24 or 18 volt cordless impact wrench by Snap-on. It's got Demon all over it. It's got the new ECU. It's got the new center console piece that has the race fuel button. It's got the fender covers. It's got quite a few things in here for just $1. This is one of the coolest things I've ever seen come with the car. And the cool thing about this is this whole top styrofoam piece can lift out and it fits in the trunk of the Demon.
Wow, that's cool. Man, that thing's huge.
Wow.
I didn't realize it was so big. What does this thing say?
It's even got locks on it.
That's pretty cool.
It's fancy.
Wow.
Even the opening mechanism's fancy.
Yeah, jeez. You know, that's a heck of a well-constructed crate for $1. Wow, that's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna put that in my basement or something.
That's cool. It comes with a Demon and everything.
Yeah, dude, it's no joke. All the tools in here are Snap-on.
Wow.
Demon
it says Demon on the torque wrench.
It's Snap-on, man. It's calibrated.
Wow.
I don't think I'm ever gonna use that ever.
No.
Dude, this
is nuts.
This is actually pretty cool. Actually, wow. I'm going to take this off because I have to measure this for someone. There are fender covers. Oh no, this is a bag. If you want to carry all the tools in a bag,
Yeah.
that's a bag for that. And then there's fender covers. Yeah, see, this is everything that's in there.
Oh, wow. Service parts, yes. Warranty, yes, yes, no, no, no. Passenger mirror block off, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. This is really cool. This might be the fender covers.
Yeah, it kind of looks like it. It's got that material.
I don't know what this is.
Oh, that's your,
check it out. They spelled my name right on this one.
oh, wow. That's really cool. Does it light up? It's got like a wire. Oh no, that's just the mechanism to open the fence.
What we'll do is, we're going to put the factory one right back in here.
Yeah.
And we'll put it right back on the, I want to
Same wrapping.
Yeah. I want to keep, I think I'm going to keep all this exactly the way it is. We'll put the other computer back in here. Actually, the dealer Supposedly I'm supposed to have the dealer do that instead of us do it. Just kind of stupid, but I'm glad you videotaped this, so we'll know how to put it all back together.
Oh yeah.
I mean, you can, if I'm in a little bit of it, I don't mind.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep you.
Yeah. So the only thing that I can see is different is this opening. I don't even understand what it's for. But the factory air filter looks exactly like this.
Maybe it's just like a second air filter, just so you have one.
I don't know. It's everybody on the internet is putting these in when they put the rest of the kit, the race stuff on. So I don't really know. I'll have to figure that out.
Maybe that air filter is not meant for public road use.
Yeah, I don't know. No.
That'll never get used.
Yeah, no, none of this stuff will get used.
Be worth a lot of money in the future.
It might.
Like, this is the type of stuff that becomes worth money.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, I'm saving every. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, there's a new ECU after the 500 miles.
Yeah.
Wow. It's just a normal ECU, but
Yeah.
something special about it.
It's got a performance parts number. Interesting.
And that's supposed to be installed by the dealer?
Yeah, I mean, it looks super easy to install, so
Right.
I'm going to verify that, because if we can do it ourselves, I'd rather do it. I just want to make sure that
Everything's warranted and...
Yeah. I want the warranty. And I don't want them to scratch anything off or anything like that, you know?
Right.
So, I think that's basically it. I don't know. Man, I can't believe how, they really went all out.
They did.
I mean, it's cool stuff.
They didn't even do stuff like this for, like, the Viper. Like...
Yeah, they didn't. They didn't. It has 808 on pump fuel, supposedly, and 840 on race fuel. Did I get that dirty? I did.
You got any friends with a dyno that you can just run it on?
I do. And I might. I think you'd call this 4.5-inch wheel. I'm not 100% sure.
I think it goes from bead to bead. So that would be 4.5, I think.
If it's on the inside, yeah, 4.5. Well, we need to measure the backspace. The authentication package. So it's basically just, this is a carbon fiber card. It has name, the VIN, options, serial number. This is all the build data that they use on the line for setting the car up. It's everything that comes with it.
That's really cool. So it has all the RPO stickers and all that.
Yeah. So I saved everything that was in the trunk. I didn't even open that bag.
Right. That's the authentication sheet?
This is the authentication package, they call it.